Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Math Talk. This channel mainly about middle school math, high school math, SAT math, ACT math, regional math, PST math, and GM math. Today's topic is about real number and real numbers properties. After you see this video, if you think the channel is helpful, please subscribe my channel and give a like to my channel. Now let's go to today's topic. Actually, in our daily lives, all the numbers we see are real numbers. Real numbers basically includes rational number and irrational number. Okay. Okay. What is a rational number? Rational number basically means this number can be expressed like the coefficient of the two integer numbers, such as like this. A is an integer number and B is also an integer number. In addition, B cannot be zero. Okay. Such like those kind of number called rational number. Irrational number means this number cannot express like this quotations of two integer numbers. Okay, I can give you some example of the irrational number such as pi and 7 square root, those kind of thing, and those is some example of irrational number. Okay. Rational number also includes some, the special case, such as, the whole number. Whole number means the number, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, okay? Also, the integer number, okay? Integer number means such as, for example, negative 5, negative 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is the the rational number. I also can give you some special case of rational number, such as 0.3. So that means the 3 will repeat. This is also a rational number. Okay, this is something about the real number. Basically, in our daily life, all of the numbers, what we've seen is real number. Real number can also be expressed use a real number line. Okay, such like this way. That is a 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2. That is a real number line. Okay, every real number can be expressed on this real number line. For example, the 1 is here. For example, any number, actually any real number. Also, in some books, notebooks, and some documents, the real number can also be expressed like this way, such as negative infinity and positive infinity. This is also means the the real number. Also, you can see the real number can be expressed like this way: x belongs R. Okay, this also can means the the real number. Okay, this is about the real number. Now I can give you some example about the real number. For example, 17. This is a real number, also a whole number, also an integer number. And for example, negative 17, 6. This is also a real number. Okay, this is a decimal number. Also, you can use press as a fraction. Okay, and this one, for example, 17, 5, 8, 4. You see, this is a repeat. This is also real number. And in addition, this guy is a rational number. Okay, for example, the 3 square root. This is the irrational number because this number cannot express as the a divided by b, this format. Okay, this is a irrational number. Okay, now followingly I will talk about some properties of the real number. Okay, the first one is called the commutative property for addition. Okay, this means something like this. For example, a plus b equals b plus a. So basically means when you now do the addition of two numbers, you can switch these two numbers position. Doesn't matter. Okay, this is for the second property is called commutative property for multiplication. For example, like this way, a multiply b equals b multiplies a. So basically means when you do the multiplication of the two numbers, you also can switch these two numbers position. For example, 5 multiply 4 also equals 4 multiply 5 because both of them equals 20. I can also give you example for the commutative property for addition. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2 because both of them equal to 5. Okay. The third one called the association property for addition. For example, like this way, a plus b plus c equals a plus b plus c. That is also very too simple. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 5 also equals 2 plus 3 plus 5 because both of them equals to the 11. Okay, So that's basically that means when you do the the addition, when there is a parenthesis, actually you can remove the parenthesis. For example, both of them can also equal to this one. It's a plus b plus c. So that means you can remove the parenthesis. Okay. The fourth one is called the identity for addition. Okay. For example, look like this way: a plus 0 equals to a. This is so obvious. For example, you see 2 plus 0 still equals to 2. Okay. Another one is, for example, the fifth one is called the identity for multiplication. For example, a plus 1 still equals a. Here, a cannot be 0, okay? Remember, that is important. For example, this one, for example, 5 multiply 1 equals to 5. That is so obvious, okay? The sixth one property is called the inverse for addition. For example, you see a plus, for example, negative a equal to 0. So you see the a and the negative a, their sum equal to 0. I can, for example, give example: plus negative 4 equal to 0. Okay. The seventh one is called the inverse for multiplication. Okay. For example, any number a multiply 1 divide a equals to 1. Here a cannot be 0. Okay. Remember, a cannot 0. The example is there are so many. I give 1, for example. 2 multiply 1 over 2 equal to 1. That is about this property. The eighth one is multiple of 0. Okay. That means any number multiply 0 still equal to 0. Okay, any number multiply 0 will be equal to 0. The next one is zero product property. That means, for example, a multiply b equal to 0. So that means a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or both. Okay. This is this property is important. Okay. For example, if we see the expression like this way, you see x minus 2 multiply x minus 3 equal to 0. So we can get the solution means x equals to 2 equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0. So we get the solution is x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. So this is usage for the zero product property. Okay. The final one is the distributive property. Okay. This one, such as a multiply parenthesis b plus c equals a multiply b plus a multiply c. Remember, this property you can use in two directions. The one direction is from the left side to the right side. Actually, you can also use in other direction, from the right side to the left side, such as for example 3 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 5. You can do like this with 5 multiply 3 plus 4. Okay, you see this example, we use this property from the right side to the left side. Okay, from the left side to the right side, you can use like this with 5 multiply 3 plus 4 actually equals 5 multiply 3 plus 5 multiply 4. This usage is use this property from the left side to the right side. Okay, remember this property we can use it in both directions. Okay, this is about today's topic. Today, to summarize, we mainly talk about the real number and some of the properties of the real number. Basically, all of those things is too straightforward. Okay, thank you so much for your watching. If you have some questions, you can leave on the comments. And if you have some problem you don't understand, also you can leave on the comments. Maybe I can help you. Thanks for your watching.